Good day and warm greetings to all participants joining this session. It is great honor to present our work in this proceeding titled Strengthening Ocean Economic Development, a Multi-Stakeholder Approach. My name is Harun Idham Akbar, representing my co-authors, and I will be delivering the key findings of our research. Coastal cities in daerah khusus Jakarta or DKJ face the dual challenge of accelerating economic growth while maintaining ecosystem functions as human activities. Stakeholder synergy fosters collaboration across ocean economic sectors. Seven ocean economic sector from Kusumastanto to 2002. The research gap in this study concerned the limited studies on institutional coordination and stakeholder synergy in sustainable ocean economies. So aim of this study is addresses the research gap by enhancing stakeholder synergy in the sustainable ocean economy across seven ocean economic sectors in the daerah khusus Jakarta. Methods and method study area in daerah khusus Jakarta divided into 5 administrative area: Central Jakarta, North Jakarta, East Jakarta, West Jakarta, and South Jakarta. Economically, daerah khusus Jakarta is contributing around 16.5% to Indonesia's GDP. Data collection. The study employ a survey research method with a quantitative and qualitative approach. Primary data were obtained through interviews with key stakeholders categorized into 9 groups. Secondary data were obtained from GRDP of daerah khusus Jakarta for the year of 2024 as published by the Badan Pusat Statistics and supplemented by various available national and international publications. Data analysis were processed using a MACTOR method. Follow this step. 1. Identification of stakeholder and objective like in this table. 2. Construction of influence or dependence matrix. Stakeholder relationship were mapped to assess relative power and dependency. And 3. Evaluation of convergence and divergence using MACTOR were quantified to reveal potential synergies and tension, particularly between ecological priorities and economic growth in the ocean economic sectors. And 4. Strategic recommendations. Results were interpreted to propose collaboration-based strategies for enhancing stakeholder synergy in daerah khusus Jakarta. Results and discussion. First is stakeholder identification and classification. Data collected from stakeholder identification process provided the empirical foundation for mapping the principal actor and their differentiated roles across the 7 ocean economic sectors, like in this table. Ocean economic sectors contribution in daerah khusus Jakarta. One is comparison of GRDP between the ocean economy and non-ocean economy. Show that the ocean economy contributes around 32.6% of the GRDP of the Jakarta. This is GRDP per sector. This ordering is consistent with empirical findings where infrastructure and maritime industry are identified as the dominant contributors, while fisheries and marine services remain relatively smaller in their economic scale. Seperti tahun 2020 and 2020. Third is influence dependence matrix is used to assess actor influence and dependence within a system through the matrix of direct influence and metric of indirect influence. And this is MDI and this is MDII. Map of influence and dependence between actors is graphic representation. This graphic representation, this is consists of 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1 is high influence and high dependence. Quadrant 2 is high influence and low dependence. Quadrant 3 is low influence and high dependence. And quadrant 4 is low influence and low dependence. Next is convergence and divergence analysis. This is convergence analysis. The one is the stronger, and uh, this is the weakest convergence. This is divergent analysis, the same. And next is strategic recommendation for a multi-stakeholder approach to synergy. This is stakeholder ambivalence. The complexity of managing the economic sector in the Airport Jakarta requires a strategic framework that integrates diverse stakeholder interests into coherent approach. This is a table to clear strategic recommendation. Next is implication for sustainable ocean economy in the Airport Jakarta. The implication of this spending extend across the 7 key sectors of the ocean economies, requiring tailored strategies to reconcile convergence, divergence, and ambivalence among stakeholders in this table. This is gender contribution, dominant stakeholder, and strategic focus alignment. The conclusion is one is GRDP analysis show asymmetry between economic wide and governance influence. Second, high-value sector are dominated by private actors, while low-value sector, through socially and ecologically vital, remain underrepresented. Third, sustainable ocean economy in the Airport Jakarta requires harmonizing economic priorities with ecological stewardship, ensuring community well-being, and promoting inclusive and synergistic stakeholder engagement. Thank you. We sincerely thank you for your kind attention. We welcome you to reach out to us for any further explanation or inquiries.